Adventurers!
Today ang aming first episode ng Cafe Adventures. Samahan nyo kami!
So yun guys, sa part na to, order na kami. Nagutom na kami. Kumukulo na tiyan ko niyan eh. So umorder kami ng kami ni Bobby, 2 beef tapa, tapos kay Yeye bangus, tapos kay Ate, ano ba tawag doon? Veggie na salad, tapos order sila ng mga coffee nila. Ako hindi ako order kasi ng coffee ko kasi ina-acid ako eh. So ayan, let's roll out.
Cutting up colors on the counter, steam from the pot like a quiet cloud. Sun through the window, little halos, time are ticking but we're not rushed now. It's a slow day, home cooked, easy.
Here are some of the photos taken inside the cafe.
Little taste of heaven in the air, yeah. I can feel it. Laughing in the kitchen while the sauce keeps simmering low. Every little moment in a bowl, we're taking it slow.
And lastly, sobrang ganda at linis ng CR nila. Pwede kang nga mag-dine in sa loob ng CR eh. Before this video ends, I wanted to share with you guys Psalms 118 verse 24. The Lord has done it this very day. Let us rejoice today and be glad. Kaya blessing na kagad yung gumising ka at meron kang lakas ngayong araw. Kaya don't forget to thank the Lord. God bless.
Kita-kits sa next episode pa. Kita-kits sa next... Kita-kits sa next episode, Adventurers.